Yo guys, if you're a fan of RG, these are a must-have. Kailangan mo talaga ito para sa collection mo. What I have here is a couple of peripherals na part ng RG Edition 20 series. We have the RG Harp 2 Extreme Edition 20 na napakagara ng design. Packaging pa lang, yayamanin na talaga. And the mouse itself? Well, it features a smoked gray shell with kumikinang na gold accents all around. Even the PTFE glider sa ilalim, may mga gold accent din. Ang gara talaga. May gold accent din sa side buttons, sa scroll wheel, at sa loob mismo ng mouse na makikita via the see-through shell. Ito yung gaming mouse na manghihinayang ka talaga gamitin. For comparison, this is my current daily driver, the RG Harp Ace Mini. So the contrast is really night and day pagdating sa aesthetics. I also have the RG Azoth Extreme, which is also my current go-to gaming keyboard. Pero tignan nyo naman itong Edition 20. Grabe, ang ganda talaga. It also features smoked gray keycaps with tons of gold accents all around. Not just on the keycaps but also on the control knob, sa mga chamfered edges, sa palibot ng mga switch and buttons, sa screws, even sa magnetic feet. Pero ang icing on the cake is the golden magnetic badge sa ilalim. And meron pa nga yung sariling casing niya. Talagang napaka-premium ng experience. Even the included palm rest may gold accent din sa metal base niya. And to top it all off, meron din silang Edition 20 artisan keycaps ng kanilang mga iconic peripherals gaya ng RGI logo, RG Delta, Claymore, Gladius, Raikyuri, and Chariot, which also serves as a sort of fidget spinner. So kung talagang fanboy ka ng Republic of Gamers brand, make sure to grab this once available. Lagay ko yung mga links sa baba so that you can check it out. By the way, nag-release din po pala ako ng full unscripted unboxing video nito. Lagay ko din yung link sa baba para mapanood nyo. Follow for more videos like this and thank you for watching.